Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and the subject today we are studying is Cambridge O Levels Physics 5054. We are working on the solar system, and this is the new topic added into the Cambridge O Levels Physics 5054 course, and that will be assessed from the examination, which will be starting from the May-June 2023. So in this regard, this is another new video. And in this video, we will talk about the Mercury, the planet Mercury. So now we are going to talk about the planets around the sun. And in them, the first planet which is orbiting around the sun is Mercury. So let's a little bit have a talk about the planets. The planets are large globe-shaped objects that orbit a star such as the sun. They begin life at the same time as their star from the leftover clouds of gas and dust. Planets are never more than about 5% of the mass of the sun. If they were bigger, they would be stars. Some planets, called terrestrial planets, have a surface of solid rock. Other, called gas planets, do not have a solid surface, just clouds. The solar system has 8 planets. Pluto was the 9th, but it is very small and is now called a dwarf planet. Over 200 planets have been detected orbiting stars other than the sun. These are called extrasolar planets. Extrasolar planets are too far away to see, but can be detected because they make their stars appear to wobble. Many known extrasolar planets are giants, bigger than Jupiter. They orbit rapidly closer to their stars than Mercury is to the Sun. Improved detection techniques may reveal smaller planets orbiting further out in space. The Kepler Space Telescope will be launched in 2008. It has been launched to scan 100,000 stars for signs of Earth-sized planets. Probes such as the Hubble telescopes are able to give scientists a more detailed view of the planets. Here, the Hubble has detected a storm on the Mars. So the very first planet about which we will be talking is the Mercury. Okay, so this is a photograph of the Mercury, and you see the nearest planet to the sun is Mercury. During its orbit, it is between 45.9 and 69.7 million kilometers away. Mercury has the fastest orbit. One orbit around the sun takes just 88 Earth days. Twice during its orbit, Mercury gets very close to the sun and speeds up so much that the sun seems to go backward in the sky. Mercury rotates once every 58.6 days, but the time between one sunrise and the next is 176 days longer than its year. Temperature change from minus 180 degrees centigrade at the night to more than 430 degrees centigrade during the day, hot enough to melt lead. The crust and mantle are made largely of rock, but the core, which is 75% of its diameter, is solid iron. Mercury's dusty surface is pocketed by craters made by space debris crashing into it. With 6% of Earth's mass, Mercury is so small that its gravity can only hold onto a very thin atmosphere. Mercury is so small that its core has cooled and become solid, unlike Earth's. As this happened, Mercury shrank and its surface wrinkled. Craters on Mercury discovered by the USA's Mariner 10 space probe have names such as Bach, Beethoven, Wagner, Shakespeare, and Tolstoy. The sun looks huge as it rises over Mercury. The sunny side of the planet is boiling hot, but the night side is more than twice as cold as Antarctica. So this is here we have a diagram of the Mercury, and the largest feature on the Mercury is a huge impact crater called the Caloris Basin, which is about 1300 kilometer across and 2 kilometer deep. The surface is wrinkled by long, low ridges that probably formed as the core cooled and shrank. Mercury is a planet of yellow dust, as deeply dented with craters as the moon. Astronomers think that they have found ice in deep craters where the sun never shines. So, my dear students, this was all about the Mercury, and I hope that you will remember this name. And this is the very first planet nearest to the sun. So, thank you very much, and I hope you will understand. And you see, all in all these videos, we are basically working on the last of facts and information about the planets. So my recommendation to you is that watch a lot of videos, documentaries on the solar system. That will help you to understand this concept and master this concept, and you will perform very good in your examination. So thank you very much. Have a good day. God bless you all.